We're gonna have a little bit of a mess on our hands here, son. I don't think it's going to get to the house. They said it's supposed to crest in about less than an hour. The waterfall is now gone.
Bob, when we lifted that dryer, that copper.
Water running into my basement.
The last flood, and they were able to salvage my furnace. Okay, and I'll call Brian Emmerich and get a heads up on him, let him know what we're going to do. He'll be good when he goes and
Alright, let me take a peek.
That's my yardstick. "34 inches in the basement." Yep, it's a wash. There's a pool, ping pong table. It's a table floating.
call maintain as much heat as we can for as long as we can.
Got a sump pump hose heading out the back door. Trying to get as much water out of the basement as possible.
The table's floating a little stuff on it.
You got up to 34 inches. See the watermark? 34 inches, and it's starting to go down now. The water receding outside.